All right, so I was gonna make a grandfather clock, but I don't have all the parts for the grandfather clock. But I do have this, and this would be just a cool clock in anything. I'm gonna go see what I got out back, and I might just make a cool little clock. All right, let's see what we got here. I know I had a piece of wood that'd be cool for that. Shoes. Right here. Right there. That's the one. Yep. Perfect. That's perfect.
So one of my favorite woods is butternut, and that's what I'm using here. A couple years ago, we had a person call and they had a tree on their property. They didn't even know what type of tree it was. When I went up to look at it, it was covered in burl. It was the coolest looking tree I've ever seen. We actually put it on the sawmill and cut it several different ways just to keep cutting the burls off and making these smaller slabs. This slab was supposed to have been used for a deer mount, and the customer came and looked at it and actually didn't like it. He wanted to go with a more reclaimed piece of wood. I put it back out back, been sitting there about a year or so, remembered I had it, so I could do this cool clock. I just wanted to do a simple clock face, no numbers, just the hands. This is just a great piece for that. The more I worked on it, the better it looked, and I was really excited about it. I chose to do an oil finish on this. I didn't want a high sheen, so I just wanted kind of a matte finish. And I was just getting it cleaned up here, gonna carve out the back to put the clock mechanism in, and just really excited about this piece.
So you try to establish it by eye.
I love doing little projects like this. I like taking just a couple hours off, getting my mind off everything, and just do something simple like this. Hope you enjoy it.